This paper is Self-Driving Database Management Systems. It's a 2017 paper. In this paper, authors make the case that self-driving database management systems are now achievable. They present the architecture of Peloton, the first DBMS that is designed for autonomous operation. Some initial results on using Peloton's integrated deep learning framework for workload forecasting and action deployment are shared. Peloton contains an embedded monitor that follows the system's internal event stream of the executed queries. Each query entry is annotated with its resource utilization. The stream is also periodically punctuated with DBMS and OS telemetry data and the begin and end events for optimization actions. The DBMS then constructs forecast models for the application's expected workload from this monitoring data. It uses these models to identify bottlenecks and other issues, example, missing indexes, overloaded nodes, and then selects the best actions. The system executes this action while still processing the application's regular workload and collects new monitoring data to learn how the actions affect its performance. Now let's look at the key contributions of this paper. With the rise of the big data movement, the demand for an autonomous DBMS is stronger now than it has ever been before. Such a system will remove the human capital impediments of deploying databases of any size and allow organizations to more easily derive the benefits of data-driven decision-making applications. This paper outlines the self-driving architecture of the Peloton DBMS. Authors argue that the ambitious system that they propose is now possible due to advancements in deep neural networks, improved hardware, and high-performance database architectures. Now let's give this paper a PS score. On readability, it gets 9 out of 10 because it's an easy and fun read, and with 6 pages long, on length, it gets 9 out of 10. It's a research project, so on reproducibility, it gets 6 out of 10. The system has not been productionized and it was abandoned, so industry value is not great, so it gets 6 out of 10. There are interesting hypotheses and ideas in this paper, but some are not practical, so it gets 7 out of 10. So that leaves us with the overall PS score of 7 out of 10.